These are the steps on how delegations can onboard the secondary voting system. This video tutorial was produced to provide guidance for both events, in case of the rollout of the secondary voting system for the World Scout Youth Forum or the World Scout Conference. In your invitation, you will be provided with your unique ballot sheet link and your access credentials to log in. Note that this secondary voting system is hosted on Google Sheets. If you already have a Google account, make sure to log out of your personal account before you proceed. Click on the unique link you were provided and enter your access credentials. Once logged in to your Google Sheet, you will land on the Instructions tab. Check that your delegation information is correct and that you are accessing the correct ballot for your country. Click the Presence Confirmation button to notify the voting team that you are online and can access your voting sheet. In the Instruction tab, you will find the reference of which vote is currently open. Note the current vote and which tab to navigate to. This tutorial will walk you through each vote type and their corresponding tab. If we are rolling out the secondary voting system when voting on simple motions, the instruction will refer to the Ballot tab. In the Ballot tab, select your vote options. For simple motions, your vote options are in favor, against, or abstain. Click on the drop-down function next to the desired option to cast your votes. You can either cast all your votes or split them across the options by choosing your desired distribution. Review if your vote selection is correct by referring to the remaining votes to allocate and the instructions provided lines. Carefully review your vote allocation is correct. Note that once you have cast your vote, no further changes can be made. As a measure of caution, you will not be able to confirm your vote if your selection is different from the instructions. Confirm your vote by clicking the purple Confirm button. Verify your confirmed vote on the pop-up by clicking Yes. Then acknowledge that your ballot sheet will refresh by clicking OK. Wait until further instructions in plenary and on the instruction sheet for the next vote to be opened. If we are rolling out the secondary voting system when voting on events, the instructions will refer to the Events tab. For single bidders, your vote options are in favor, against, or abstain. Click on the drop-down function next to the desired option to cast your vote. You can either cast all your votes or split them across the options by choosing your desired distribution. Note that you can cast some or all your 6 votes. As there will be votes on multiple World Scout events, don't forget to cast your vote for each. Confirm by clicking the purple Confirm button. If we are rolling out the secondary voting system when voting on elections, the instruction will refer to the Election tab. Click on the Election tab. Then, click on the drop-down function next to the desired option to cast your vote. You can refer to the remaining votes to allocate to ensure to cast all your votes. click on the drop-down function next to the desired option to cast all your votes. Carefully review your vote allocation is correct. Then, confirm your vote by clicking on the purple Confirm button.